Are you looking for the latest step-by-step guide on how to safely root your Google Pixel 7 or 7 Pro without breaking your device? Hey guys, Imran here with another tutorial, and today we are going to show you how to root your Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Rooting your Android device can be intimidating, but don't worry, I will guide you through the entire process. By the end of this video, you will have full control over your device and you will be able to customize it by installing a custom ROM if you like. The first step is to ensure that you have everything you need to get started. You will need a computer, a USB cable, and your Google Pixel 7 or 7 Pro. It's also essential to back up all your important data in case anything goes wrong during the rooting process. To root your device, you will need to unlock the bootloader first. I have already made a video on how to unlock bootloader on any Google Pixel model. The link is given in the description. So please unlock your bootloader first and then follow the instruction in this video. Now without further wasting your time, let's get started on how to root your Google Pixel 7. I have already written a step-by-step guide with all the download files given. As you can see, the link is given in the description. So you need to download the required file. First of all, you need to download and install OEM USB drivers. So click on install the Google USB drivers and download Google USB drivers zip file. Accept the terms and condition and click on download button. Okay. Now keep these files in a separate folder. The most important file is platform tools. So click on it. Accept the terms and condition and download the platforms tool. These are ADB drivers. Another important file is factory image. You need to download the factory image for your Google Pixel 7 or 7 Pro. Panther is code name for Pixel 7 and Cheetah is for Pixel 7 Pro. Now go to About Device and find the build number. You need to download the exact firmware. So 001A2 is the firmware installed on my device. So I will download this firmware. Right click and download with IDM. Another important file is Magisk Manager APK. I have given the download links in the description. So download the Magisk v25.2 APK. It is currently the latest version of Magisk. Now keep all the files in a separate folder. So all the required files are downloaded. I will now unzip these files. Right click on the Panther factory image file and unzip it. Extract. Now go inside the Panther folder. We need to unzip this file as well. From this file, we only need to copy the init_boot file. Now on your device, go to settings, scroll down and tap on about phone. Scroll down and tap on the build number for about 7 times to enable the developer options. Now go back, tap on system, scroll down and tap on developer options. Now to root your Google Pixel, you need to unlock bootloader. As you can see, bootloader is already unlocked on my device. If your phone bootloader is still locked, you need to follow our guide. The link is given in the description. Also enable USB debugging. Now go back. Connect your phone to PC. To transfer the files, I will copy the init_boot file. This is from the factory image file we have unzipped earlier. Copy. And Magisk APK file. Connect your phone to PC and copy these files. On your phone, select the file transfer Android auto mode. If you are unable to get your device even after installing the USB drivers, go to Device Manager. Tap on other devices. As you can see, MTP port is having some issue even though drivers are installed. So click on update drivers. Now again click on update drivers. Browse my computer for drivers and this time select this one and select MTP USB device. Click next. And now it is fixed. Now open the Pixel 7 folder. Go to download and copy the files. Now files are successfully copied. Now on your device, open the files folder. Go to download, tap on downloads and install the Magisk APK. Tap on install. If you are doing for the first time, it will ask you to enable unknown sources. So enable it and you will be able to install. Tap on install, select and fetch a file and select the init_boot file. Tap on let's go. Now it's done. Image is fetched. Now you can copy the patch boot file to PC again. Go to download and here is the Magisk patch file. Copy and move this file to the platform tools folder. Paste it here. Now turn off your phone and connect your phone in fast boot mode. Hold the power plus volume down keys to boot your phone into fast boot mode. Now phone is connected in fast boot mode. Now I will type CMD to open the command line. Now type fast boot devices just to make sure your phone is connected and PC has recognized it. As you can see, my phone is connected. Now I will type fast boot flash init_boot and you need to type the file location Magisk space file or you can drag it to the command line window. As you can see, I have done it. Now the file is here and press enter and it will flash the patch Magisk file. Now file is flushed. Now enter the fast boot reboot command to reboot your device. Now congratulations, you have successfully rooted your phone. Now phone will restart. Now I will open the Play Store app to install Root Checker app. Type Root Checker and install this app. This app will verify if you have proper root access on your device or not. Open the app, allow, agree. Now tap on verify root, grant access. Congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. Device is Google Pixel 7 and Android version 13. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.